What is up, YouTube? So today I got two daggers I want to go over from Skallywag. Okay, these daggers are pretty cool, and there's a big price difference and a few things I want to go over if you're interested in something like this before you purchase. Okay, so let's get into this video and go over the specs as well as the price. The first one I want to go over is the D2 Skallywag. That's what it's made out of, D2 steel. They have a trainer version that's aluminum, and it is only for training. There's no way you could sharpen the aluminum to get it to retain an edge. Mind you, this dagger does not have an edge either. The training one is $69.99. This one's like $225 or something like that. You get the sheath, pop it open. Wow, the sheath is really nice, like the finish of it, the edging, really smooth. It's almost like one piece if you look closely, which is real awesome. But yeah, you pull it out, the retention's good. It has this machined little centerpiece here. The blade is not sharp, but it does have a point, so it's more of this type of hold is what you do. I like the hammer fist. You have these little cutouts for your finger. I guess you could do it something like this as well. The ergonomics it looks cool. Ergonomics is kind of awkward, but it looks cool. This kind of makes it awkward, but it's made to put on like a plate carrier or a backpack or whatever. So it's more of a puncturing tool versus a cutting tool, so keep that in mind. These are not sharp at all. They do have an edge, but not sharp. Okay, so you could hold it this way, you could hold it like this. This is large enough for gloves to fit in, and basically that's it. I mean, if you want the actual specs, like, I'll put the link in the description for all that stuff, and you could see them, the measurements and stuff. But I mean, I got large hands, so you could just kind of visually take note on if this is something you want based on that fitment. Okay. But yeah, that's that. But the one that I like a lot, which comes in two different options, comes in a military one, and it also comes in your civilian one. So military one's going to be about like $400 something, which has a matte black finish, and this one's around the $225 range. This one's cool because it comes with your belt clip, so it's 60 thousandths thick. The thinner stuff, which I like. I'm a big fan of the thinner Kydex because it's a lot more concealable than the thicker stuff. This is also the thinner stuff. But the knife, or the dagger, look at this. I mean, this one here is like $225 or something like that. So it has a matte black finish. The actual military one has like all this like bead blasted, and it's more of a it's more of a like charcoal black finish, if that makes sense, where you don't get no reflection. I mean, but for double the price, just buy this one. If you don't like the color and you wanted that charcoal finish, have it bead blasted and do it yourself. Also, it has no silver edge on the military version. Everything else is the same. As you can see, I could get a full grip on it, and I still have more on the top. And look at that long blade. So to get a comparison between the sheaths, you have about the same size. This sheath doesn't look as good or as appealing as this one. You did some weird cutouts there, or some weird bumps. That texture is from the grip itself. But
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and